Yo, welcome back guys. This is an unusual video. You know what is here? This is the RedGear gaming keyboard. I'm gonna unbox this. This is an unusual video because I never do unboxing videos. This is what I'm gonna game with. So, here we go. Pulling the tabs. Whoa, this is awesome. That the keyboard comes. Oh boy, it's heavy. It's heavy. It is so heavy, guys. Oh boy. It comes with no instruction manual as I thought. Which this RedGear. Why do you ever need an instruction manual for a keyboard? Oh, look at that beast. Just look at that. Go out of the frame, boy. You hear that? I'll bring it closer to you guys. You hear that? Okay, that is pretty cool. You want me to plug it in? No, sorry, I'm really sorry for my bad English. It's with RGB. It's a membrane keyboard. It costs 1,099 rupees. It's a membrane keyboard. So I'll just plug it in and I'll do the review. Whoa. There's a screw here. It's sticking out. Okay, it's supposed to stick out. Okay. Anyway, I'll go to the next scene where I plug it in and play. Like this or like this. Okay, like this. Come on, game in a Mac. This is the Logitech mouse. Sorry, I could not do the unboxing video for this. The Logitech M275 mouse. It's pretty good, you know. One of the most smoothest mouses I've ever seen. It's 1,295 rupees, but I got it for 838 in the Amazon Prime Day sale. It's up for 1,200 rupees now. I'm gonna plug this bad boy in. Oh boy. Look at that, would you? Look at that. That looks amazing.